COVID-19 crisis has really hit all aspects of our society. Certainly higher education, but sports and gatherings, conferences all over the United States are being canceled, being delayed, and it has put many of us in a bit of a quandary. This appears to be a virus, certainly a novel or new virus, but what's the big to-do? We deal with viruses all the time. Well, this is different. It's different because, first, it's a pandemic. It has spread worldwide. The WHO has declared it as pandemic status and has suggested that we all take steps to try to flatten the curve. And what that's about is that, of course, we have a limited number of hospital beds, intensive care unit beds available to serve those who are seriously ill. Well, unfortunately, in a pandemic situation, there's a huge bump of people. And if they all come at once, like they did in China, as they did in Italy, and we're seeing in other countries, if they all come at once, it floods the whole healthcare system. And we can't serve all those people who are in need. So that means that in some countries, decisions have to be made. You will live and you will not. We'll provide services to you, and for you, we'll go home and we wish you the best. So in order to avoid that situation, so many gatherings of people at sporting events, at conferences, and yes, at colleges and universities are being canceled, or at least alternative modes are being found to serve those people. Right now, as we're recording this, we're uncertain just to how widespread the situation is in the United States. We've gotten behind the ball in testing, and we're testing far fewer people than we need to. That will be overcome, and perhaps some of you, as you view this, we will be overcoming the testing challenge, and when we do, we're going to get more and more and more patients. So it's really important that we all respond to this situation by creating a kind of a social distance, not sitting, side by side in one of our lecture halls with other students, with a flop down pad, but instead pushing each other out into your home or into your dorm room or into another more roomy facility where you can pursue your classes, your studies. And so while we haven't had a confirmed case of the virus in many locations, and in Illinois, we're behind many other states, but it tends to come from the coasts, and we'll see more and more. It's so important that you maintain social distance, that you take good care of yourself, that you wash your hands and get plenty of sleep.